you're experiencing the cloud save error 2025 in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. This guide will help you resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saves. Step 2. Verify game files. Open your game launcher like Steam or GOG and use the option to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them as necessary. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that Cyberpunk 2077 is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix known issues, including cloud save errors. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console, clear the cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. For PC, you can clear the cache by deleting temporary files related to the game. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to the game support team. Provide them with detailed information about the error and the steps you've already taken to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and enjoy your gaming experience without interruptions.